my name is Simon. I'm living in Shanghai. I'm coming from France. I'm a yoga teacher, acupuncturist. When I was a child, I don't know why, but I used to love characters, Chinese character. When I have the choice to study Chinese in the university, I just focus on Chinese and anthropology. And it was a great opportunity for me for visiting China and for learning the culture. I like to do acupuncture, but not only acupuncture. This is Chinese medicine in general, because I need to deepen my knowledge about Chinese medicine. It demands a lot of time, and the more you're studying it, and the more you can see that this is very, very deep knowledge. I'm a yoga teacher, so I'm giving a lot of class in Shanghai. So why I'm teaching yoga? Because it helps me a lot. I used to have, and I still have, but spinal issues. But doing yoga, it gets me relief from all the pain I have in my body. And now I'm able to do all the stuff I like, handstand and stuff. So I love yoga, and I just want to share it. Once again, like Chinese medicine, I think that if I can help people, then it's worth it.